Private entrance to your front door and very private and secure. Beautiful landscape garden as you enter, just what you're looking for. Entering this double volume foyer, you get this space of the idea of space, luxury living, and it is not cramped in. Then you got a guest bathroom, guest toilet on the one side here, and then your double garage entering the property also from this side. Coming in, your study room, and then another 3 bedrooms upstairs and a big balcony. Coming into the patio area that's covered with 2 doors on both sides, gas braai, ample sitting space. Opening onto your garden, private garden, beautiful space here. Let's look on the inside. So this door also leads into your TV room area. Entering the dining, open plan here, kitchen, electric oven and stove, space for a double door fridge. And remember, this is a cluster, it's not like a big kitchen that you can expect. It's a standard size for a cluster property. Then also in your scullery, that also do have a separate door that can close up. And you got space for 2 appliances here, dishwasher and washing machine. On the outside we do have a toilet and a basin. Let's look upstairs. On this floor we got 3 bedrooms and this big balcony area. Bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 will share the bathroom here. This is a linen cupboard, actual walk-in linen cupboard, that's very special. Enough space, cupboards to the top, and you got northern windows facing north. Lots of natural light coming in. Aluminium frames and blinds. Looking at the full bathroom for the 2 bedrooms here. Gibbered toilets, shower, basin and bath. Tile to the top. Still all the finishes but quality. Bedroom 3, lots of space, also natural light, facing north, cupboards to the top, and as you can see, a double bed easily fit in here, and there's still more space left. Before we go into the main bedroom, I want to show you this beautiful balcony. And from here, you'll notice there's gutters fitted and overlooking this beautiful garden. Your main bedroom, you have a door coming out onto the balcony. Entering the main ensuite, his and hers basin, shower, bath and gibbered toilet. Even got a shaving plug that is installed already. Lots of cupboard space and a beautiful sized main bedroom. Cupboards this side and cupboards that side. And the window behind me facing north with this door leading out onto the balcony. So if I want to summarize this property will go in the market for investors. There's a rental contract in place till end of January 2027. It will go in the market for 3,590,000 rand. And this is beautifully positioned in the old midstream Hutton Gate.